Hi, welcome dear students to second video of chapter 8. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about HTML editor, simple text editor, web browser and creating and saving documents. Previous class I already explained about the origin of HTML, www, working with HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for creating web pages. And www is a World Wide Web, is a collection of interconnected web pages. And web page is a page containing text, images, audio, video, and links to other web pages. So in this chapter, you will learn how to create web page and what is the purpose. The purpose was to make it easier for the scientists at different universities to gain access to each other research documents. And it was invented in 1990 by Tim Berners. Okay, Tim Berners. So now working with HTML. To working with HTML document, we need two tools. First one is HTML editor and another is a web browser. Now, so how to open web HTML editor is simply Notepad is a default browser. You can simply go to the, if you are Windows 7, open Start, Program, Accessories, and Notepad. If you are using the Windows 8 or later, open Start screen and type Notepad. Simply able to find the Notepad. You can use also HTML editor like Notepad++ and Dreamweaver, various editors available online and offline. So HTML editor is used to create and save the document. And there are two main types of HTML editor. First one is the YSIG editor. YSIG editor stands for what, W for what, you see is what you get. An example of Microsoft YSIG editor, Microsoft front page, Adobe Dreamweaver. When you are going to use a YSIG editor, in this case, you don't need to learn the HTML tag. Basically, we in HTML, you will learn the HTML tag. Using the HTML tag, you will be able to create the web pages. But YSIG editor is used only to place the text. You can just make it bold. You can make it a presentable. For that, you don't need to learn the HTML code. Simply, you can insert image in the page, and it looks similar to the web page. When you are going to insert image, you're going to create links, you can place the text, you can make it bold, underline, you can make it italic. So this is simple. And another text editor, this includes text editor like Notepad, WordPad. This can also be used for create HTML documents. But what is the difference? First one, YSIG editor, you don't need to learn the HTML code. Simply create HTML code on when you are going to place the image, text, making bold, italics, underline. So So simple text editor. And now you will learn how to save and run the program, run the HTML code. For that, you just need to open, first of all, the notepad. Just going to use a notepad here. And here you can write down the HTML code. So HTML code simply just you need to write down the angular bracket, HTML, and this is the opening, and we can just write down the HTML like this. You can, this is the opening tag. You can write enclose within the angular bracket. You can write down the tag HTML. This is the opening first tag. We will write HTML and close with the HTML. Okay. So now, first of all, to first line, you just start with you will use the HTML. You can also use the HTML++. No, simply you can use this HTML++. So first line, start with the angular bracket. You can write down the first tag HTML, and this is the closing tag HTML. Nice. And you can save. First of all, next one, you can the head section. Close this one. SCAD. Within head section, you can write down the title of the page, and this is the first wave page. Just close the title tag here. So this is the closing forward slash here, and you can save this like file, save, and you can save in your desktop. I'm going to save and write down the first dot HTML extension of this file. Just need to write down the HTML. So all types, select all type first dot HTML. Now save the file with the. You can also run here. Just need to click over the run and select the launch in Chrome. If you are going to run the Chrome. So this is the first program. This is first.html now. And here you can see the title of this is the first web page. All of you are familiar with the browser Chrome. You can run this in the Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, different browsers you can run here. So it's the first program, and you can see when you're going to write the text within the title section is visible here. Okay. And what is the extension of the file? That is .html. You save the file with .html or .htm. Both you can use. And you can display in the various browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari. I hope all of you are able to understand the first program, how to write the first program. We'll discuss in details in the next session. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.